Imagine this: you open an app to order food, but the buttons are confusing, the design feels clunky, and the process takes forever. What do? You probably close it and move to a better application, right? That's the power of UI UX design. And in today's fast changing world, UI UX design isn't just a skill, it's a superpower. And in this episode of Design on the Go, we will explore what UI UX design really means, how much time it takes to build this superpower, and what it takes to stand out in a competitive field. So, what is UI UX design? UI stands for user interface, is what you see: the buttons, colors, typography, and layout. It's about making things visually appealing. UX, on other hand, stands for user experience and is how it feels: the flow, usability, and overall journey. It's about creating a seamless and enjoyable interaction. Together, UI and UX create digital experience that users love. How long does it take to build this skill and be a full-fledged UI UX designer? For this, let me be honest. Becoming a masterful UI UX designer isn't easy, and it shouldn't be. I have been in this skill for nearly 4 years now. Still, I feel that I have just reached 5 to 10% of my skill, and there is nearly 90-95% of what I have to achieve. Think about it. A doctor spends nearly 8 to 10 years in becoming master of its art. An engineer takes 4 years of undergrad plus 2 years of master's degree to truly master its craft. Even a business student invests at least 5 years in learning and practicing its skill. So, how can you expect to become a superpower designer in just 1 year? Here's the reality and a roadmap that can definitely be beneficial for you. For 6 to 8 months, build a solid foundation in the concept of UI UX design. Learn the core principles, tools, and techniques. Take a couple of years of hard practice of truly mastering the art. You will need to freelance, work on real world projects, take some hypothetical projects, and constantly refine your skill. Then, choose a specific part of the entirety of UI UX design. Let's say, being master of hero section, being master of building landing page website, being master of building food delivery apps. And then you can consider yourself in the top cream. The key is to never stop learning. Stay curious, stay active, and keep growing. Alright, so now we are in the business end of this video, and here's the $1,000,000 question: how to gain an edge over other designers? As a UI UX designer, you need to understand you need to impress users both visually and psychologically. To stand out in this fast changing world, you need more than just skills. You need to consistently evolve and adapt. And this is not just about UI UX field, it's about each and every field or whatever field you are in. And if I talk about particularly UI UX, here are a few tips that would definitely help you. Number 1, commit to lifelong learning. See, design is always changing. What was 10 years ago is completely different now, and what will be after 10 years from now, we cannot imagine. Tools like Figma, Framework, Webflow weren't available 10 years ago. So, dedicate time to learn new tools, trends, and techniques. Don't fear it, but make it as a challenge, take it as a task, and make that particular thing your friend. Second, build real projects. Knowledge is only valuable when applied. Start freelancing, join internships, or create mock projects for your portfolio. Third, understand psychology of users. The best designers know how people think, act, and react. Study how users interact with digital interfaces. Fourth, be data driven. Use tools like Google Analytics or heat maps to understand user behavior. Great design always solve real problems. Fifth, streamline your workflow. Learn to use templates, components, design systems to save time and focus on creativity. Sixth, network and collaborate. Surround yourself with other designers, their work, inspirations, and creatives. Join communities, participate in challenges, and learn from others. So, becoming a skilled UI/UX designer takes time, patience, and persistence. You can't shortcut the process, and that's okay. The designers who thrive in 2025 and beyond aren't just talented, they are adaptable, curious, and constantly evolving. So, what's your take on this? How long do you think it takes to truly master UI/UX design? Share your thoughts in the comments below or join our LinkedIn group for exclusive resources and discussion. Thank you so much for listening to the second episode of Design on the Go. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your fellow designers. See you next time. And as always, happy designings.